Today we are starting our journey with one of the most important programming language, which is Python. What if I told you that one programming language can help you build website, analyze massive amounts of data, create artificial intelligence systems, develop machine learning models, automate repetitive tasks, and even control robots? Sounds powerful, right? Well, that programming language is Python. But what is exactly is Python? Why is it so popular? And why are millions of students, developers, scientists, engineers, and researchers using it? In this video, we are going to understand Python from very beginning. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. In simple words, Python is a language that allows humans to give instructions to computers in a way that is relatively easy to read and understand. Just like humans use languages such as English and Hindi to communicate with each other, programmers use programming languages to communicate with computers. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and was first released in 1991. Over the year, Python has evolved into one of the world's most widely used programming languages. So, why the Python becomes so popular? This first reason is its simplicity. Python uses a clean and reliable syntax. This means that even beginners can understand Python code more easily compared to many other programming languages. For simple example, if we want to display the message hello world, we can simply write print bracket inside the bracket hello world. That's it. With just one line of code, we can ask the computer to display a message. This simplicity makes Python an excellent programming language for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is also a powerful enough for advanced applications in artificial intelligence, data science, scientific computing, automation, and many other fields. Python is easy to learn. One of the Python's biggest advantages is its readability. Let's look a simple example. Name is equals to Rishabh. Print inside the bracket hello, comma name. Here we create a variable called name and store the value Rishabh inside it. Then we create the print bracket function to display a greeting. The syntax is simple, clean, and easy to understand. That's one of the reason Python is widely recommended as a first programming language. Where is Python used? Now let's look at one of the most important questions. Where is Python actually used? This answer is almost everywhere in modern technology. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is one of the most popular language for artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is widely used to build intelligent systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, understand languages, and make predictions. Popular Python libraries include TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and many others. Number 2. Data science. Python is also extremely popular in data science. Data scientists use Python to clean data, analyze information, create visualizations, and discover meaningful patterns. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn make data analysis and much easier. Number 3. Web development. Python can also be used to develop website and web applications. Popular frameworks such as Django and Flask allow developers to build powerful web applications using Python. Number 4. Automation. Another major application of Python is automation. Imagine having to perform the same repetitive task hundreds or thousands of times. Instead of doing everything manually, Python can automate many tasks and save time and efforts. Number 5. Science and research. Python is also widely used in scientific research and engineering. Researchers uses Python for numerical computing, simulation, data analysis, image processing, remote sensing, geospatial analysis, and scientific modeling. This makes Python especially valuable for students, scientists, engineers, and researchers. Python and artificial intelligence. Today, when we talk about artificial intelligence, Python is almost impossible to ignore. From computer vision and natural language processing to generative AI and machine learning, Python plays an important role in the modern AI ecosystem. For example, developers can use Python to process data, train machine learning models, build AI applications, and analyze the results. This is one of the biggest reason why learning Python can be a valuable skill for anyone interested in the future of the technology. Advantages of Python. So, what makes Python is special? Let's quickly look at some of its major advantages. Easy to learn, easy to read, open source, large developer community, huge ecosystem of libraries used in AI and machine learning, powerful for automation, cross platform, used in science and research. Because of these advantages, Python has become a popular choice for both beginners and experienced professionals. But is Python perfect? Not exactly. Python is generally slower than some lower level languages such as C or C++. For certain types of applications, it can also consume more memory in some situations. However, for many applications, Python's simplicity, flexibility, and enormous ecosystem make it an excellent choice. How to start learning Python? If you are a beginner and want to learn Python, where should you start? I recommend following a step-by-step approach. First, learn the basic variables, data types, operators, conditions, and loops. Then move on the functions, lists, dictionaries, and object-oriented programming. After that, start building small projects. And once you have a strong foundation, you can explore advanced areas such as data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, or automation. So, in simple words, Python is a powerful, versatile, and beginner friendly programming language that is used across education, science, engineering, data, artificial intelligence, and modern technology. And this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, We will learn Python step by step from the basic to real world projects. If you want to learn Python and explore the world of science and technology with me, make sure to subscribe and like to the channel. And don't forget to comment below. Why do you want to learn Python? I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep innovating.